Caroline Flynn. I'm the treasurer for Herbert Hoover's PTO, and I'm the coordinator for the Move Up celebrations, including the Luau, which is the big annual party we throw. Chris Roba is also on our board, and she's highly involved with it. This year is different because we did both 4th and 5th together. Little concerned about it, but we got it done. Tons of parents, over 50 parents showed up last night to set up. We have about 40 parents here today helping, as well as the staff. Kids are having a blast. We have a professional photo booth. We have a parent-run photo booth. We have a professional DJ. Tons of food. Big donation from Slacks, Hoagie Shack, and parent donations. Tons of parent donations. So it's been great.